Get acquainted with the 2023 Land Rover Discovery. Explore your world in the confidence and comfort that can only come with this superior Discovery. An unmatched blend of posh style and go-anywhere capability places this impressive SUV at the pinnacle of its class. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, moonroof, keyless entry, power liftgate, heated rear seat, power passenger seat, fog lamps, premium sound system. Serious off-road capability meets high-end luxury in this superlative Discovery. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.